Deciphering the Delight, Pasta Bake. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of food phrases. Our focus for this video is the term, pasta bake. If you're a foodie or someone looking to explore English culinary terms, you're in for a treat. Pasta bake is a two-word phrase. Let's understand each word. 1. Pasta. This is a type of Italian dish made from wheat flour mixed with water or eggs. It comes in various shapes and sizes like spaghetti, penne, and lasagna. It's a popular dish all over the world. 2. Bake. This is a cooking method where you cook food by surrounding it with dry heat, usually in an oven. When we say bake, we often think of cakes or bread, but many dishes can be baked. So, when you put the two words together, pasta bake typically refers to a dish where pasta, combined with other ingredients like cheese, sauce, and vegetables or meat, is cooked together in an oven. Pasta bake dishes are beloved for several reasons. 1. Versatility. You can mix and match ingredients. Whether it's a tomato-based sauce, creamy cheese, or an assortment of vegetables and meats, there's a pasta bake for every preference. 2. Convenience. Once you've combined your ingredients, you just pop it into the oven and wait. This makes it a favorite for those who want a delicious meal with minimal fuss. 3. Comfort. There's something heartwarming about a baked dish. The melted cheese, the soft pasta, and the aromatic sauce come together to create a meal that's both satisfying and comforting. While regular pasta dishes might require you to cook the pasta and sauce separately and then combine them when serving, a pasta bake is about blending those components and cooking them together. This results in flavors melding together more deeply and a different texture, especially with the baked top layer often becoming slightly crispy or golden. So there you have it. The term, pasta bake, is not just about pasta or baking but a delightful fusion of the two. Whether you're looking to try a new dish or just wanted to understand this term better, we hope this video shed some light on it. Happy cooking and even happier learning!